Here's how to create a sphere in SketchUp. Press C to activate the Circle tool and draw a circle on the ground plane. Press Space to switch to the Selection tool and click on the border of the circle. In the Entity Info panel, change the number of segments to 50 for a smooth sphere. Now, select the circle and press M for the Move tool. Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to duplicate it. Press Q for the Rotate tool and tap the left arrow key to lock the protractor to the green axis. Move the duplicated circle so it stands vertically with its bottom point at the center of the first circle. Select the border of the first circle using the Selection tool. Then activate the Follow Me tool from the Tools menu or the Large tool set. Click on the vertical circle and it will revolve around the first circle, creating a sphere. Use the Eraser tool or press E to clean up any remaining edges at the bottom. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.